Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making apple streusel bread. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making apple streusel bread. So if you tried the apple pie video I did, this is got the same kind of topping, but it's in a loaf of bread. So it's amazing. So anyway, here we go. First off, we're going to start by making our topping, and we're going to start with a half a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of packed brown sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and get that mixed up. Okay, then we're gonna do a quarter cup of flour. And I am doubling my topping recipe. You can or you don't have to if you want. I just like to have a little bit of extra since you're going to be putting part of the topping in the middle of the bread and then the rest on top. So whatever you prefer. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to add in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you get all that stirred up, you're going to add in a quarter cup of softened butter. So you'll get it that crumbly texture. But since I'm doubling it, I'll do half. Okay, just squish it around in there. Throw some out of the bowl. Stragglers. So it's nice and crumbly, and we'll set that aside and save that for when we get to doing our topping. So now what you want to do is, in a separate bowl, we're going to take 2 cups of flour. We want to mix all of our dry ingredients together. So we have our 2 cups of flour, and then we have a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna give that a mix. Set that aside. So then in a mixing bowl, we want to cream together a half a cup of butter that's softened, and a cup of sugar. But we're gonna get the butter going first. That way we get it mixed. Okay. We're gonna add our cup of sugar. As a kid, this was my favorite part because I'd always eat the chunks of butter with the sugar mixed in. It's really good. We're gonna cream this together for a little bit, maybe 1 minute. 30 seconds is fine. Then you want to start adding in 2 eggs. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So once that's done, you're going to start adding in your dry ingredients. Okay, so it is kind of thick. It kind of looks almost like cookie dough, but it'll get a little thinner once you add the apples. Okay. Now what you want to do is you're going to want to peel and chop in small little chunks 2 to 3 apples. Up to you how many. I'm going to use 3. So we'll peel and chop these real quick. Since I think these apples are so big, I think I'm just gonna do 2. I always put my garbage can right down here because it makes it easier to just throw all your garbage and not have to walk back and forth all the time. So no, I'm not throwing it on the floor. That's a lot of apples. Then you just mix that together till it's just flying out. Okay. You don't want to overmix it because you don't want to risk breaking the apples up. You want to keep them in their chunks. Now, what you're going to do is grease your loaf pan. What you want to do is put half of your batter. Look good, all those apple chunks. Half of the batter. Then you want to take your topping slash noodle, and I'm just going to grab it. You sprinkle it on that layer. Get it covered. Okay, so there's our next layer. Then you want to take and spoon the rest of your batter on top. Tricky part because then it doesn't want to stick and it's kind of hard to move. Let's see if we can spread. What's your favorite kind of bread? Is it apple bread, banana bread, pumpkin bread? Let me know. I may just do a video on it. Okay, so there's our next layer. Then you want to just sprinkle some more topping on the top. I doubled it, but I don't need to use it all. Just want enough to cover it. this in an oven preheated to 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. I usually will poke a knife in and see if it comes out clean, and I'll let you see it when it's done. All right, so our bread is done cooking. Let's take it out. Ooh, doesn't that look good? So we're gonna let it cool in the pan for a little bit, and then we will take it out and we'll slice it open. There's our finished apple streusel bread, and it smells just like apple pie. Cut it open and have a look. Ooh, it's still warm. You see the center line of all the goodies. It's really good. Be great with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Really good. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.